Static load tests on foundation piles are carried to determine load deflection characteristics of the pile soil foundation. Static pile load test may be carried out in the following three load configurations: axial compression, axial tension, and lateral. Here, the procedure of a static pile load test with axial compression loading is explained. First, the test pile is installed into ground. A heavy bearing plate is placed on the pile to ensure uniform load transformation. One or multiple hydraulic jacks are installed to apply loads. The hydraulic pump is piped to the hydraulic jack. Applied load can be monitored through strain gauges on the pile or hydraulic pressure. Here, a wireless pressure sensor is installed on the pressure port of the hydraulic pump to monitor load application. Then, the load beam is placed on top of another bearing plate over the hydraulic jack to react against load. The load beam is adjusted to be centered and level to ensure uniform load on the pile. Load transfer beams are placed on both ends to hold the load beam down and supported by 4 or multiple reaction piles that are fixed to the ground. For deflection measurement, 2 reference beams are installed around the test pile with enough clearance distance. Multiple wireless dial indicators are used to measure movement of the testing pile. Align and mount the indicators parallel to the pile. Turn on all the measurement devices and connect them in the Motionics wireless pile load test software on iPad via Bluetooth. Once connected, readings are shown remotely on the iPad in real time. Zero all readings in the app to start the test. Start the test by applying the load through hydraulic system based on the test standard procedure and let the app automatically record all devices' readings. Test results are seamlessly recorded and documented automatically. The same instruments can be used for axial tension and lateral load configurations. However, the test setup and loading structure would be different for each case. Motionics provides a turnkey wireless measurement solution for static pile load tests that can be used for all different load configurations. The wireless pile load test kit comes with multiple Bluetooth dial indicators, BlueDials, and a Bluetooth pressure sensor, BluePSI. BlueDial wirelessly and continuously transmits deflection readings. It is rechargeable through standard micro USB port. BluePSI is a standalone wireless pressure sensor to monitor and transmit pressure readings via Bluetooth Low Energy, along with the dial readings. The wireless pile load test app on iPad connects to multiple Bluetooth devices simultaneously and record all the readings. For more information, please visit motionics.com. Thanks for watching.